Ever wonder what the secret is behind some of the most flavorful dishes you've ever tasted? From sizzling stir-fries to savory glazes, what's that one ingredient that just ties everything together? It's not just a sauce, it's a journey that begins in the heart of the ocean.
Hi everyone, I'm Noah, and today we're diving deep into the incredible story of oyster sauce.
Our journey starts right here, in these vast, serene oyster farms stretching out across the ocean. It all begins with something incredibly small, tiny oyster larvae, known as spat. These little guys are looking for a permanent home, and farmers provide them with the perfect spot, often old shells, to latch onto. Once attached, they're carefully placed into mesh bags or arranged on racks, where they'll spend the next few years growing. This method isn't just about farming, it's about creating a sustainable ecosystem. The farmers work in harmony with the ocean's natural cycles, ensuring the oyster populations thrive. When the oysters are finally mature, they are harvested by hand, a testament to the care and dedication that goes into this process from the very beginning. It's a beautiful cycle of life, nurtured by both nature and human hands.
From the farm, our freshly harvested oysters are brought to the processing plant. This is where the real transformation begins.
The first step is a thorough cleaning to remove any sand or grit from the ocean. Then comes the meticulous process of shucking, where each oyster is opened by hand to reveal the prize inside. Now for the magic. The shucked oysters are placed in large vats and are slow cooked in water for hours upon hours. This isn't a process you can rush. As they gently simmer, they release all their savory, umami-rich juices, creating a deep, flavorful liquid. This liquid is then carefully strained to produce a concentrated, rich brown extract. It's the pure essence of the oyster. To finish, this potent extract is seasoned with a few key ingredients like salt and sugar to balance the flavors, creating the thick, glossy, and incredibly delicious oyster sauce we all know and love. Finally, it's bottled up, sealed, and ready to bring a world of flavor to kitchens just like yours.
So, what makes oyster sauce such a powerhouse in the kitchen?
Its magic lies in its versatility. It's the undisputed king of stir-fries, creating that perfect glossy coating on dishes like a classic beef and broccoli. You can also use it as a marinade for grilled chicken, infusing the meat with a deep, savory flavor that's simply irresistible. And don't forget, it makes an amazing dipping sauce for dumplings or spring rolls. It adds a complex, umami depth that elevates almost any dish from good to absolutely unforgettable.
But the benefits don't stop at taste. Oysters themselves are packed with nutrients.
From the rhythmic tides of the ocean to the warmth of a shared meal, the journey of oyster sauce connects us all. It's a story of nature, tradition, and the simple joy of cooking. It brings families and friends together, adding that special touch to everyday meals and festive celebrations across the globe. From the ocean to your table, it truly is a world of flavor in every single drop.
Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe,
and ring the bell so you won't miss our next story. See you next time.